All right, so the Central Vista Committee has approved the proposal for new Parliament building project. This decision was taken, remember, after the architect made an online presentation last week. Activists, however, are opposing this project. They are criticizing the approval amid the coronavirus pandemic across the country.
The Narendra Modi government is going ahead with its ambitious Central Vista project. On the 23rd of April, most of the members of the Special Advisory Group of the Central Vista Committee met online via video conferencing. They met to discuss the proposal for the new Parliament building, part of the Central Vista revamping project. The online meeting was objected to by the non-government members of the advisory group. They proposed that in view of lockdown restrictions, the meeting should be postponed. But the committee went ahead with the meeting and gave a no objection to the project. The minutes of the meeting recorded. Meeting could not be postponed as the project is important in national interest. Time scale for implementation of project cannot be ignored. Decision was taken after the chosen Ahmedabad-based firm HCP Design made an online presentation of the project. The presentation was marked by the absence of the non-government members from the Indian Institute of Architects and Institute of Town Planners.
The very idea of densification of our city centre in these pandemic-related times and against the principles of the master plan is highly incorrect. This entire project requires a rethink, and especially at these times, we think that we need to get back to the drawing board and work out what is essential and what is not.
The Congress party has been demanding the scrapping of the entire Central Vista project, questioning its need. The party further slammed the government move, saying, besides everything, it did not make economic sense.
If you were to buy cheaper ventilators, roughly 15 lakh or 14 lakh ventilators could be purchased from this amount. If you were to fly the lakhs of migrant workers sweating, dying on the roads, it would cost less than what you are allocating.
The Special Advisory Group has attached just one condition to its approval for the project. It said that the features of the proposed building should be in sync with the existing Parliament building.
Decks are clear for construction of new Parliament building right next to this iconic British-era Parliament House. Despite litigation from experts, opposition from political parties and severe cash crunch during coronavirus pandemic, the government is going full steam ahead and has set an ambitious 2020 deadline to complete the project. With camera person Sanjay Chaudhary, this is Anand Patel in New Delhi for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.